Ever feel like your bathroom is missing a few simple upgrades? In this video, we're checking out 10 bathroom gadgets from Amazon that can make your daily routine easier, cleaner, and more convenient. There are options for every budget. Number 10 is a gadget that instantly makes your bathroom feel a little more luxurious without requiring a full renovation. This freestanding heated towel rack keeps your towels warm, dry, and ready whenever you step out of the shower, which is something you don't really appreciate until you try it for yourself. It features adjustable temperature settings, so you can choose between a light warmth or that spa-like cozy feeling during colder mornings. It's especially useful in humid bathrooms where towels tend to stay damp for hours, helping reduce moisture and that musty smell over time. The freestanding design also means you don't have to drill into the wall or deal with complicated installation, making it perfect for apartments or smaller spaces. While it does take up a bit of floor space, the added comfort and convenience easily justify it, especially if you want your bathroom to feel more relaxing and premium every single day. Coming in at number 9, this wall-mounted bathroom organizer is one of those small upgrades that can make your entire morning routine feel less chaotic. Instead of leaving your hairdryer, curling iron, straightener, and brushes scattered across the counter, everything stays neatly organized and easy to grab in one place. What makes this especially useful is the combination of storage compartments and dedicated holders designed for hot styling tools, so you don't have to wait forever for them to cool down before putting them away. It also helps free up counter space, which can make a huge difference in smaller bathrooms where clutter builds up fast. The built-in cable management keeps cords from tangling everywhere, making the whole setup look cleaner and more organized overall. It's ideal for anyone who styles their hair regularly or shares a bathroom with other people. Installation is pretty simple, and once it's mounted, it genuinely makes the space feel more functional and less stressful to use every day. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. At number 8, we have a bathroom gadget that's both practical and surprisingly stylish. This anti-fog LED mirror is the kind of upgrade that instantly makes your bathroom feel more modern, while also solving one of the most annoying everyday problems. Instead of wiping steam off the mirror after every hot shower, the built-in anti-fog function keeps the reflection clear and ready to use the entire time. That's especially useful during busy mornings when you're trying to shave, do skincare, or get ready quickly without waiting for the mirror to clear up. The adjustable lighting also makes a noticeable difference because you can switch between different brightness levels depending on the time of day or what you're doing. Whether you're applying makeup or just want softer lighting at night, it adds a much nicer atmosphere to the room overall. Installation may take a little extra effort compared to a standard mirror, but once it's up, it completely changes the look and feel of the bathroom in a very noticeable way. In 7th place, we have one of those simple little gadgets that ends up being way more useful than expected. These motion sensor night lights are perfect for bathrooms because they automatically turn on when they detect movement, giving you just enough soft lighting for late-night trips without blinding your eyes with the main bathroom light. That might sound minor, but once you get used to it, it genuinely makes nighttime routines feel much more comfortable. They're especially helpful for families with kids, older adults, or anyone who tends to wake up in the middle of the night. Since they're rechargeable and wireless, you can place them almost anywhere without dealing with outlets or messy cables. The warm lighting also creates a calmer atmosphere compared to harsh overhead lights, which is nice if you're trying not to fully wake yourself up at 3 a.m. It's a very affordable upgrade, but one that quietly makes everyday life a little easier and more convenient. Number 6 is definitely one of the more unexpected gadgets on this list, but a lot of people end up loving it once they try it. This shower foot scrubber mat lets you clean and massage your feet hands-free while you shower, which sounds simple, but it's surprisingly satisfying and practical. The soft silicone bristles help scrub away dirt and dead skin while creating a gentle massage-like feeling that actually makes showers more relaxing. It's especially useful for people who struggle bending down, whether that's because of back pain, mobility issues, or just convenience. The suction cups on the bottom help keep it in place. And since it hangs easily to dry, it doesn't become a hassle to maintain. It also works great for exfoliating rough heels over time without needing extra tools or effort. It may not seem like a major bathroom upgrade at first glance, but it's one of those small, comfort-focused products that can quietly improve your daily routine without costing very much. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Halfway through the list, this LED shower head is one of those gadgets that makes your bathroom feel more fun while also being genuinely useful. The built-in color-changing lights automatically react to the water temperature, so you instantly know if the water is cold, comfortable, or getting too hot before stepping in. That's especially helpful for families with kids or anyone tired of accidentally turning the shower into lava first thing in the morning. Beyond the lighting effect, it also includes a filtration system that helps reduce impurities in the water while boosting pressure at the same time, which can make showers feel much more refreshing. A lot of people are surprised by how much difference better water pressure can make during everyday use. Installation is simple since it connects like a regular handheld shower head, and you don't need batteries because the water flow powers the lights automatically. It's affordable, easy to install, and adds a surprisingly modern touch to an everyday part of your routine. At number 4, we have a bathroom gadget that solves one of the most annoying problems people constantly ignore, until it becomes a disaster. This silicone shower drain hair catcher is designed to trap hair before it clogs your drain, which can save you from dealing with slow drainage, standing water, or expensive plumbing issues later on. What makes this version nice is the flexible silicone design that sits flat over the drain while still allowing water to flow through smoothly. Cleaning it is also much easier than digging hair out of the drain itself, which honestly nobody enjoys doing. It's especially useful in households where multiple people share the same bathroom, or for anyone with long hair or pets. Since it's lightweight and easy to remove, you can quickly rinse it off in seconds and place it back without hassle. It may not be the flashiest gadget on this list, but when it comes to preventing everyday bathroom problems with almost zero effort, this is one of the most practical upgrades you can buy. Number 3 is for anyone who absolutely hates scrubbing the bathroom by hand. This electric spin scrubber takes one of the most annoying cleaning jobs and makes it way faster and less exhausting. Instead of bending over and scrubbing tile, tubs, or shower walls for ages, the rotating brush head does most of the hard work for you. It also comes with multiple brush attachments, which makes it useful for different surfaces like grout sinks, corners, and even glass shower doors. The extendable handle is probably one of the best parts because it helps you reach high or low areas without straining your back or knees. That alone can make a huge difference during deep cleaning days. Since it's cordless and rechargeable, you're not dragging cables around the bathroom while cleaning either. It's especially helpful for busy households or anyone who wants to keep the bathroom cleaner with less effort. Out of all the practical gadgets on this list, this one probably saves the most time and energy overall. In second place, we have a gadget that's incredibly simple but surprisingly satisfying to use every single day. This automatic toothpaste dispenser helps keep your bathroom cleaner, more organized, and honestly, a little less messy during busy mornings. Instead of squeezing toothpaste tubes from the middle or leaving toothpaste marks all over the sink, you simply press your toothbrush into the dispenser and it releases the right amount automatically. It's especially useful for families with kids because it makes brushing easier while also reducing wasted toothpaste over time. The wall-mounted design also helps free up counter space and keeps everything looking more organized overall. Installation is quick, since it sticks directly onto the wall without complicated tools, and once it's set up, it becomes one of those small conveniences you stop thinking about, because it just works. It may not be the fanciest gadget on the list, but for improving everyday bathroom routines in a simple and affordable way, this one definitely earns its spot near the top. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, we have a bathroom gadget that can completely change the vibe of your daily routine without costing a fortune. This waterproof Bluetooth shower speaker lets you listen to music, podcasts, audiobooks, or even take calls while showering, turning an ordinary bathroom into a much more enjoyable space to spend time in. What makes it stand out is the waterproof design combined with surprisingly powerful sound for such a compact speaker. The built-in lights also add a fun atmosphere, especially during evening showers or relaxing baths, making the whole experience feel more immersive and less routine. The included clip makes it easy to hang almost anywhere, whether that's inside the shower, near the sink, or even outdoors when needed. Battery life is solid enough for multiple uses before recharging, and the wireless setup keeps things simple and clutter-free. Compared to the other gadgets on this list, this is probably the one that adds the most enjoyment to everyday life, which is exactly why it deserves the top spot.